4.4.2. Calculate the coordinates of R. Now remember, M is the midpoint of this circle, and its coordinates are 9 and 6.5. We call the coordinates of R, X, and Y. To calculate the X coordinates of the midpoint, we had to say, well, the X value of coordinate T plus the X value of coordinate R divided by 2. To calculate the Y value of the midpoint, we had to say, well, the Y value of the T coordinates plus the Y value of the R coordinates divided by 2. As you can see, we have the midpoint. So we have the X coordinates of the midpoint, which is 9. Okay. We have the X coordinates of T, which is 3. So we'll add that to the X coordinates of R, divide that by 2. To solve for R, I will just use cross multiplication. So 2 times 9 equals 3 plus the X coordinates of R. 2 times 9 is 18 equals 3 plus the X coordinates of R. I want the X coordinates of R on its own, so I will have to get rid of that 3. To do that, I will minus with 3 on both sides. So 18 minus 3 will give me 15. And then I'll be left with the X coordinates of R, which is 15. Let's do the exact same thing for the Y coordinates. So the Y coordinates of the midpoint is 6.5. Remember, we can write 6.5 as an improper fraction. The denominator will stay the same. So we will just say 6 times 2 plus 1. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 will give me 13 over 2. Okay. The Y coordinates of T will be 7 plus the Y coordinates of R, which is equal to 2. The denominators are the same, so we can just ignore them going forward. We can therefore say 13 equals 7 plus the Y coordinates of R. We want the Y coordinates of R on its own, so we will minus with 7 on both sides. That will leave me with 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 will give me the value of 6. Therefore, the coordinates of R are